Sometime around 6:35 p.m., police officers on patrol on the George Price Highway, somewhere near the Farbers Road roundabout, spotted a black Toyota RAV4 vehicle heading towards Belize City, and as a result, the vehicle was pursued, and instead the driver accelerated faster, but he was eventually caught up with by the officers, and he was learned to be one Elton Eligio, 40 years, police corporal of a Lemonal Village address. At the time, he had in his possession a 9mm pistol, for which he was detained, and he was eventually later arrested and charged for being in possession of a firearm whilst under the influence of alcohol, and driving without due care and attention, and being in possession of an unlicensed firearm.